welcome back to YouTube channel, Meet Family Friends. Today we are playing Among Us Part 5. So guys, we are playing Hide and Seek. So guys, I'm pausing the video. Yep guys. So let's change the outfit.
Please change your outfit. Please be red. It will be nice.
Okay. So I'll be red. So how should I put?
Headphones.
Headphones.
No,
This one.
No, these.
Oh, and for that to say we have idea, and we use this one, the twister one. This one is nice.
You look formal.
Yep.
And have a
this-
little pet.
Yeah, the small cutie pet.
How
And
to you'll do something with the pet, right?
Oh yeah, you have to press it non-press. Yeah, it's very nice. It's so cute. Yeah. So cute. I've also wanted this tiny pet and eat it because it looks like the chicken or this. Yeah. Okay, 10 numbers are there. Why was slow?
Cool outfit. What's your name?
Start with F.
Yeah. Why someone told your name?
I only did it. I'm Ginger.
Oh, it's starting.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
So guys, this is my no problem. Nothing happened. So guys, nothing happened. I just say like nothing. Yeah. Okay, so the idea. Can you play? First me, then you.
No, first me then me.
No.
Because you should always give first to the guest.
Oh, I'm the imposter.
Give
Nope.
me. Bro, I never got an imposter.
Content. Okay, then
Hello,
9,
guys.
8, 7, 6, 5. For that, I also play. I also play. 1. Okay.
Oh my god, he little gore cat.
Oh yeah. Oh, till.
Bro, kill him. Bro, why can't I kill him?
Okay. And there. Bro, I know best way. So go to bathroom. Yeah.
Bro, before he went there, I little killed him.
Ooh. There. Bro, open the doors of bathroom. Ooh, I told you they'll be in bathroom.
Yeah, bro.
Wait, I know the other place. Go down. Then go over there.
Oh.
No.
No one is here.
Oh, I do another place. Just go over there.
No.
No, wait, go down. Down.
Why
down.
this?
Down. And go left, down. That side. Yep, up. No. Down, left. Yeah. Up. Climb the ladder. And go up. Left.
Wait.
There will no one there. Those just the left.
Oh, sorry, I forgot that.
Up. Don't climb the ladder. There been ladder. See, there go up and down. Do.
Kill. Better. No.
Hey, just wait. There.
Bro, kill him. No.
Bro, literally, he's stupid. Just go to ladder. Don't play with up and down. Oh, baby, just don't do down. Don't do down.
Oh my god, he's escaping.
Yes.
I'll hide
I told you.
I'll hide it.
No. Just go up.
Appa.
Yeah, I told you. But
to the
Yeah,
What
just means you can see the player where they.
Oh, one is near me only. Where are?
There,
Oh,
there,
there.
there.
But oh shit! No. Where are you?
Buddha, no.
But someone went there now. Just better two.
Yeah, but 3 numbers are there, 2 are down. Until them.
Oh shit! I have less time now.
Oh shit.
Where are they?
Oh, no, that side, they way down. Down. Dude, that side. Oh, shame me, you idiot. Just go up. No.
No. Bro, someone is here, but someone is here.
No, bro, just go.
Bro, somewhere
No,
here.
no.
Oh,
Not there, bro.
oh shit! 3, 2,
1.
dead.
Yeah, you are a donor.
Defeat.
Over.
Do not exit.
So this is my turn. Yeah.
What? I'm ready for the host. Wow, what a moment.
Yeah. So I be like the thing line. So let me do here. Press this one. Yeah.
But please change the dress.
I think
Green color.
this.
Yeah.
I think I change this pet.
You look toxic.
Yeah. I think
Something green.
This.
No.
This.
Yeah. You now look like a green water.
Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yes, still waiting for the players.
Sparrow. So
I had to hide.
yeah, I know where the perfect place to hide.
Oh, bro, I know the perfect place.
Please go fast because you have very less time. He already came.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. You have zipline also. But not only that.
you know where to hide?
Not hide spy.
Spy.
Yeah. Yeah. I have a Oh,
Who is this? Is the imposter?
no. Oh, it's no.
This is not the imposter.
We just spy over here. Where's the imposter?
Bro, someone killed me.
What?
Someone was killed. Bro, you should hide, bro. I think you should hide.
No.
Bro, what is this? This thing?
Mason. Oh, yeah. Oh, we can't do about it. Oh no! I just went to. Wait, why did you also something? But I can still see a well. I just went to cut this.
Bro, I told you that's not a perfect place.
Yeah. Oh, I did highlight this, but in real life. This is a.
Let's find a perfect place if we got this map only. Just find. We are a ghost now, you can go anywhere, so just find a perfect place.
Wait, we can highlight this also.
Can we?
Yeah, we can.
Just find the way. I will hide there next time.
Yeah, but if the map is like that, to say no.
Yeah, I know. Just you remember the way? This is the plan. Go to the plan. Okay, here. How to go here?
Oh, just press the zip line.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Oh, you can do down, up, then.
No, he can kill me.
Oh, see, at least you can hide this way.
I know where to hide. I know where to hide.
Let's see the imposter.
The imposter is imposting everyone.
Yeah. Oh,
Literally.
27.
Someone just went down.
Okay, one is here, one is there. Oh,
One is near the imposter.
oh, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. It's not doing anything. We won.
Victory.
Yes,
Okay, guys, if I got this map up again, I know where to hide. Perfect guess. If it will work.
Yeah. If it don't say now. Oh,
Oh yeah, same map I guess.
no, it can be changed also.
I know, but he should give that map only.
So just change the outfit.
Ah yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh shit.
only you have to do fully change. The black.
Black one. Okay, I will.
Wait, no, down. This one.
No, I want this one.
Wait, are they switching to down like this
Ah yeah.
or like this?
How?
This?
Wait, let me find this. Let me do this thing.
Oh, this one is better.
No.
Okay, then do this.
Yeah, it is.
No, this one I already tried, made me imposter. So
Okay, so I will change to red
No,
outfit because I love
wait,
red.
I think you should do.
This one.
Yeah.
And this guy, I will do this black one.
Bro, it is not so.
Oh shit. Wait, they started?
Yep. Let's see you please with an imposter.
I have a luck, so maybe I can be imposter.
Maybe no.
Yeah, but oh shit, they changed the map or what?
Yeah. No, not change.
Oh
No. Up. Yeah, that side. No, boom.
No, bro, why is it not using?
Stupid.
Why?
Bro, you can just go to that spaceship and hide.
Bro, wait, no.
No.
I'm going to find that way again.
Oh, that door there. That left.
Okay.
Bro, not there. Up. Bro, you chose the wrong place. Every imposter will come out there. Bro, you chose the wrong place. Go up.
Bro, no, I'm going to that place. Bro, but how to go to that place?
Bro, you just made a circle. Just don't. You're such an idiot. I never said.
Thank you. Oh, I should go here. Whoosh. Literally, I got scared.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Up,
Bro,
up,
bro, no.
up.
Up, why up?
Just see. The up. But not there. That side. But no there. Up. Dude, no.
Oh.
Yeah, but no, not there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, there, right? I can't hide here.
Go up. Yeah. Just stay there.
Can I
Oh.
see actually?
No.
I just want to pet my pet.
Bro, you don't. Bro, where's your pet?
I am not petting my pet.
Okay.
I am not petting my pet.
Yeah, so cute. The space of the wall, na, that's it. Just the TV long place, it is the automatic. It's so cute. Unlike you, so stupid. Then you're so stupid. Then yeah, you're very stupid. I tried to tell everything, but you did not even know what to do.
Yeah, actually, I don't.
Because you played this.
Only one time.
No, you played this 50 times. 50. Puzzle.
The hell.
And you know this place so well, and you don't.
Oh.
Just don't do it. Just hide it. Once you let them, just get out of there and vent.
Vent away. Where is the vent?
Bro, you will see. Bro, the vent is little bit different now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
This is the vent?
No. I mean, no. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 15, 12.
No, then should I?
No. Maybe I didn't know that. See, this is the vent. See, this
Oh,
area.
yeah.
This is the vent.
Okay, now let me see. So, where can I hide in this map? If I go down here, they can kill me. So, there's no more place.
Wait, you didn't know over there?
Wait, if I would be here, I can like hide here.
No, only those can do like that.
I know. That's why I will just hide here in this corner.
Yes.
I will find a place, bro, because.
Oh, we can time of flowers also. But not properly.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we can go up to here.
No, we cannot go up. Ooh.
I didn't find a place.
Victory. Yeah, this we want. So now we tweak this and last to find the thing. But no anything. We will classic and yeah, here Johnny Day. Yeah, that we will classic. That's compulsory. Thus, we have 6 numbers. That's good.
This will be our last match.
Yeah, this will be the last match. And let's see. Just start already. Maybe blue is better. Yeah, blue is better. See, I forgot to change the. I forgot to change the pattern. Let's see. How? Oh, one is near me. They can I spawn over there? Okay. Oh shit. Okay. 0. Oh no. 0. 7.
5.
5. No, I can use this. Yes.
Task completed.
Yeah, next task is up. But before we go there,
Where we are actually now?
now we are at this magic. Let's see, anyone died or no? Spin died. Where's Pink?
Bro, why do you want to go to near the pink? Because it's dead.
Yeah,
So you can't find the dead body. Also, remember.
but we can report it. All we can say is
Yeah, bro. See in the CCTV camera where it's then. Oh, we don't know the who is then.
yes.
But let's see if anyone is near us.
Where's Pink? The dead body.
Report. 2 members are dead.
Oh.
Silent killer. It's very silent.
I didn't suspicious at. Wait, Pink already died, right?
Yeah. Red.
No, this yellow I didn't suspicious. I didn't search about yellow because see every 3 numbers are the same. No, nothing they change, but only it's a tie. yellow might be the imposter. Because, yeah, other one. Yeah. Other is also yellow. So I followed my dust and the last dust also yellow. Okay. See. Then where to be yellow be there? Yellow.
If you want to be safe, I have an area for you. You know where? You can go to the bottom of the deck because someone came green. Okay.
I think green is the imposter.
AK-47. Please take the AK-47.
Oh, it had no
Pistol. Oh my god. Go down on the deck. Actually, no one would come there. Pink is. Oh, light pink? Why light pink is there?
I don't know. I think she's not the imposter. But where do you...
Oh my god. Every member of the security came here. I think yellow is the imposter. In your dreams.
I think so.
No, don't kill it. Don't kill it. Green. Green. Bro, you can go to the meeting hall. No. Just, bro, go to the meeting hall. You can
Bro, I turn up here because I'm toast.
You are go. Wait, go to the meeting hall. Go to the meeting hall. Fast. You can keep the emergency button.
Bro, we turn the indoors, we turn up the emergency button. See? Indoors, we turn up the emergency button. Only we can do the task.
And which are doing.
And green will win this. I never turned out green. Oh, pink is safe.
Oh, I think it's safe.
Wait, what?
Why is every color same?
It's not the
Yellow died actually. I saw yellow. Bro, you can type. You can say.
yeah, we can type, but the death hunter see.
Okay, at least try.
Yep.
Maybe they can. Bro, die.
We cannot type death hunter see. No, it's waste of typing. Death hunter is see. Oh, they. Yeah, oh, look, we won. Yeah, we won. Just to. They. Yes,
Okay, guys. This is the.
yeah.
This is.
So that this is the end of the video message. The last one. So